arrive in style with this 2013 Nissan Pathfinder Platinum. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: bucket seats, front side airbag, ABS, remote engine start, engine immobilizer, rear spoiler, and automatic headlights. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.